Hi everyone, it's Kenny. I wanted to show you my new Go shaft I bought today. It came in yesterday evening, but was kind of too late to unpack it and everything. So I wanted to do an unboxing video together with you. This is the brand new evolution of the Go shaft, which has a slim taper. So let's find out what that exactly means. Of course, I've already opened this one just to make sure you don't waste your time looking at me cutting tape, because it was well taped in. So this must be the glove I ordered with him. By the way, did you see the picture? Oh my god. After 1 year being in the business, having that as a marketing picture is really something. So it gives me more confidence that this material is really the way to go. And this must be the shaft. It's nicely packed again. Ooh, here we have it. Oh man, and he even threw in a really nice joint protector with a little carbon look to it. It has marked the Go SL 12.4 millimeter, just like I asked, and the taper should be, yeah, I already see it. So the diameter of the shaft will be continuous at the same diameter, and it will just pop open over here where a regular shaft will start to come open here. So this should give you more consistency. And I have my old shaft here. Curious what this is though, because okay, so this is the regular Go-To shaft, which I played for 1 year now. I will take off the joint protector so you will see it's the same length. Yeah, I don't know if it fits that. I'll show you a close-up. Some high quality engravings, and as you'll notice, the finish of the carbon is of a finer degree. It has a more high quality finish to it, which looks real nice. The taper, the difference in taper you can see here starts the widening of the diameter for the SL shaft and there for the Go-To shaft, so it's about 10 centimeters, a little bit less of a difference. So just to make sure everything would fit great, I also sent in my butt, which they buffed out nicely. Didn't even ask for that. Nice to see that. So to make sure everything fits nice and is straight as hell, so goes on there really nice. Can close it like it should, and then I want to make sure. And again, you should see, incredible. It is dead straight. So if you see up, it doesn't move a millimeter. So really happy this turned out great, as expected. And then we have the famous Go glove, which I ordered. Once again, all of these guys is paid for. This is not a sponsored video or anything. I just wanted to show you because I really like his material. I've been looking for a good shaft builder for a long time. He's the one, I'm telling you. Go Customs. And they have their own chalk as well. Oops. really nice, and it's kind of not completely square, also with a little carbon reminder to it. So thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked it. I hope it showed a little bit what the quality of the new shaft is. The Go SL slim taper, and I'll be posting a video soon of how it plays, how it sounds, how it's compared to the Go 2 shaft, which I've been playing for a year now, so that will be a great comparison to make. I'm getting on it right now. Thanks guys.